Okay, so I just got back from a work trip yesterday and we needed groceries. So I decided to go to Aldi this week. And so today we're just gonna do a good old-fashioned grocery haul. And then I'm gonna see if I can figure out from what I got plus what I have on hand what I'm gonna make for dinner this week. Although I only have to cook for like 3 nights because Thursday is Thanksgiving. Okay, so we'll start down here. I spent, I think it was around $260. So I got a bag of Granny Smith apples. Connor really likes to eat these with peanut butter. However, I also got them because the recipe that I use for dressing or stuffing, whatever you call it, for Thanksgiving takes Granny Smith apples. And so I figured I'd just kill 2 birds with 1 stone. I got a cucumber, some celery for a recipe, and then I'll also just use the rest for the dressing as well. It's been a while since I've had the sunflower chopped salad kit, but I just got one of these for my lunches this week. It comes with greens, carrots, Italian cheese, onion vinaigrette, and edamame, sunflower seeds, and quinoa mix. I thought maybe that would be good with some of the crumbled goat cheese I have mixed in. We'll see. I got a couple pounds of strawberries, some blueberries, and some blackberries as well. And then I got 3 of these salami kind of snack trays. So this one has salami, provolone, and breadsticks. This one has pepperoni, mozzarella, and olives. And this one has prosciutto, provolone, cheese, and breadsticks. These were on sale, so they were a pretty decent deal. I got some cherry tomatoes, some bananas. We were almost out of those. Half a gallon of milk, and then I decided to get a bigger jar of peanut butter. I bought a small jar last time and we ran out pretty quickly. Connor likes peanut butter and jelly sandwiches for his lunches a lot. I got some cinnamon applesauce. I just decided to get the applesauce cups this time because I didn't want to take up too much room in the fridge. Then I grabbed some different flavored yogurts. This one is like an eggnog Chobani. This one is a Greek yogurt peppermint. I think they're both obviously holiday special ones. And then this one is just a whole milk toasted coconut vanilla Greek yogurt, the Aldi brand. I got some pork sausage for breakfast tomorrow. I actually have some biscuits in the fridge that I want to use up, so I thought I'd do that for breakfast. This was on sale also. It's the Land O'Lakes honey butter. I thought this would be good for rolls for Thanksgiving. And then I got some burrata. I always love having this on hand for salads and like with toast and stuff. So I actually didn't get any fresh basil. I don't even know if they have fresh basil at this time of year at Aldi, but grabbed this. I don't know, maybe I'll go to Hy-Vee and get some basil. We'll see. I got 2 of the sharp cheddar cheese stick packs, and then this is the Baby Bell. So I can't remember if I feel like I don't care for these very much. But I think the kids and Adam might like them. I don't know. So I just thought we'd try them. And if we like them, I can buy more of them. I got some of the Panera broccoli cheddar soup. I'll use that for lunch probably this week, along with the Factor meals that I got delivered. Today's video is sponsored by Factor. You guys know that I absolutely love Factor meals. I love using them for my weekday work lunches. It honestly helps me save money on lunch because I'm not going out to eat and I'm not ordering takeout. Their meals are fresh, never frozen, and every single one I've tried has been delicious. You guys have heard me talk about them many times before. And if you have nutrition goals, Factor makes it easier than ever by delivering these fresh dietitian approved meals right to your doorstep. Factor really takes the stress out of meal planning and sets you up for success because you can skip the grocery store, prep work, and cooking fatigue. And you can get these chef prepared meals on the table in just 2 minutes with Factor's ready to eat meals. And I also wanted to mention that when things get hectic, Factor is flexible. So you can change your order up every week with plans from 4 to 18 meals per week. And you can also pause or reschedule your deliveries at any time. Factor is definitely my go-to lunch when I'm working from home. And I also love that I can keep them on hand and eat them for dinner when I'm cooking something for my family that I wouldn't prefer to eat. So if you guys want to try out Factor, again, I highly recommend them. So head over to factor75.com or click the link below and use code 50Chapin. That's going to give you 50% off plus free shipping on your first Factor box. That's code 50Chapin, 50CHAPIN at factor75.com to get 50% off plus free shipping on your first box. I'll have that link in the description box below. Put your lunches on autopilot. You will not regret it, I promise. And then I grabbed a box of these O-Snap pickles. So these are really convenient to have on hand for lunches. They're not super cheap, but you know, whatever. If you can hear Connor yelling, I think he's playing Fortnite. I got some apple. These are the Aldi brand Nutri-Grain bars. And then I just saw this there. I wasn't like specifically shopping for Thanksgiving stuff, but if I saw it there, I went ahead and picked it up. So this is jellied cranberry sauce. I actually always have both. So I have both like the canned cranberry sauce, and then I always make fresh cranberry sauce also, just because people like different things. I got some turkey for sandwiches. Some of the turkey snack sticks. These are really good with cheese stick for a quick snack. And then I can hardly ever find bucatini. I don't really use it very often because, like I said, it's hard for me to find. And so a lot of times when I find random stuff like this at Aldi, I'll just pick it up even though I don't have a specific plan for it, just to have it in the pantry. I thought this would be good for a side for dinner this week. This is the cauliflower and cheese in a tray. So I've had the brand, what's the other brand? Is it called Kevin's or something like that? I've had that brand and it's pretty good. So I think it's just, I think you put it in the oven. Yeah, you put it in the oven, and I thought it would be a good side for dinner. I got some Uncrustables. Kira likes to have these for breakfast sometimes, and she says she buys them at school, but it's probably cheaper to throw one in her bag and take one. So I got that. Some pita bread. These I like doing with, I like toasting them in the oven or the air fryer, and then having them with hummus, or Kira also likes tuna salad and pitas as well. And then I got some of these chocolate croissant things. These are good at Aldi if you've never had them before. They're pretty good warmed up also, and the kids like them for breakfast. I got some split top wheat bread, a bunch of tuna, 6 cans of tuna, because we are all out of that, and I always try to keep that on hand for tuna salad. I haven't bought granola in a while, but sometimes with the medicine that I'm on, I like want something small for breakfast because it helps with my nausea, but I don't want to like cook eggs and stuff. So I thought that I would get this and then maybe just have a little bit of it with a yogurt this week. So see if that helps. I did get 15 of these are like the sparkling ice, but the Aldi brand. So I just got kind of a mixture. There's lemonade, cherry limeade, there's a grapefruit one, and then I think there's like a pineapple coconut one. I got Connor some Takis, he loves those. And then I talk about this, I swear, every time I go to Aldi. If you guys haven't tried this, it's really good for like a high protein snack that doesn't have to be refrigerated. So I love keeping these in my office, and then if I'm stuck on calls and I just need something quick, it's the beef biltong. So this one is just plain flavored, and then this one is chili lime. So if you like spicy, grab that one too. It's not super spicy, but it has a good bit of spice. And then I was super excited to see these at Aldi. So the parchment paper pop-up sheets, I love having these, especially for Christmas baking. So excited to see those there. And then I think I'm gonna try and do a charcuterie plate for Thanksgiving. And I thought these would be so fun to have on there. They're just like little chocolate ball critters. They were on sale for like $2.99. I got some Arby's curly fries. I thought that would be good for a dinner this week. And then this is frozen gnocchi. So I've never seen Aldi have this before, but I've seen Trader Joe's have it. Adam really likes gnocchi, so maybe he'll try this. It's gnocchi with mozzarella and spiced tomato sauce. I also got some in-shell edamame. So this, I didn't know Aldi had this. Maybe I did, or maybe I've just never looked for it. But I saw they had this, and then they also had the shelled edamame, which I didn't know they had that either. So I'm happy that they have that, because that is something that is hard for me to find, and especially if you can get it at Aldi, it's a decent price. I already put some of this stuff in the freezer, but these are the reindeer ice cream pops. They're just cute little reindeer ice cream. And then I got these for Adam for breakfast this week. Sausage, egg, and cheese croissants. I thought this looked fun for the kids to try. It's a gelato flight. It comes with pumpkin pie, candy cane, and eggnog. They had some Thanksgiving like napkins and plates. So I think I might have some left over from last year. I'm not sure, I'll have to look. But either way, I got 2 packages of napkins and 2 packages of paper plates. So we use these for dessert plates. We were all out of Celsius, so I'll probably order, I don't know. I don't necessarily love getting it from Aldi because it's not the cheapest there, but I'll probably order some from Walmart later this week. So I got 2 watermelon and 2 of the tropical vibe. And then I don't think I've ever tried these from Aldi before either. These are like the egg bites, pepper, ham, and cheddar. So I thought I'd try those. I really like to eat these for breakfast sometimes with cottage cheese. And then I opened these just so I could show you guys. I don't know, have you tried these before? They are the chicken, cilantro, and lime burritos. They're not super big, but I thought they'd make like a good lunch with maybe salad on the side or some rice. Has cheese, brown rice, black beans, tomatillos, obviously chicken, and then corn and red pepper. And I was reading how to cook them. It actually says the air fryer is the best way to cook them. Or actually, you know what? I might eat these for breakfast also. I don't care what meal I eat for what. I got some Gain dish soap. I really, really like this one that you can like squeeze out the bottom. It's super convenient, no mess. You don't end up with like a big, you know, a top that's like all gunked up. I got some limoncello LaCroix. This is the best flavor of LaCroix, in my opinion. We're all out of soda, so I got some Diet Pepsi, Diet Mountain Dew, some Kool-Aid Jammers, strawberry kiwi for the kids' lunch boxes. I grabbed these for Adam to take to work. These are like the Snapple sugar-free peach tea, so they're pretty good if you've never tried them. And then I got this for Milo, so I already tried it on him. It says it's a size large, and it says right on here, what does it say? Pitbull, Golden Doodle. I don't know, man. It's a little bit tight on him, but I think he could still wear it for a little bit. So I tried it on him earlier. It's kind of cute. So anyway, that is everything that I found at Aldi this week. Let me get some of this stuff put away and then we'll make a meal plan. Okay, I got done meal planning. So this is what we're gonna plan on this week. So Sunday, I'm gonna do a pot roast and potatoes and carrots. I think I have everything except I'll probably have to get a bag of potatoes, which obviously I wish I would have gotten that at Aldi, but I did not go with the plan, so yay me. And then I'll probably have to grab some carrots, but I should have everything else. And then Monday, I'm gonna make some lemon chicken pasta. I should have pretty much everything for that. And then Tuesday, green curry. I don't know if I'm gonna do chicken or shrimp, and then some rice. I should have most everything on hand for that. Also, Wednesday, I'm gonna make some beef ramen. That's a new recipe for me, but again, I should have most everything I need. And then Thursday is Thanksgiving, and we're not gonna do anything past that. Okay, so I would love to know what you guys are planning on doing for Thanksgiving this year, so let me know in the comments below. I am hosting Thanksgiving again here at my house like I normally do. I did put all of my Thanksgiving videos together into one like huge long 5-hour video. So if you're looking for some Thanksgiving inspiration, I'll link that down below. Obviously it's very long, but it's very complete with like, I think I've been doing an annual Thanksgiving video for like 5 or 6 years now. So obviously I'll be filming that this week. And then one of the reasons why I haven't posted in a while, well, one is I've been super busy with work, which that should be slowing down a little bit here soon. But I've also been planning and pre-filming some content for Vlogmas. Yes, I'm gonna do Vlogmas. I'm gonna do Vlogmas this year. I need to get back into a more regular practice of filming, uploading, and the best way to do that is to do something every day. So I know it's going to be a little bit of a challenge. I do have, I think, 2 work trips in December, but I am going to be getting some help this coming week, starting, I'm like, what is today? Starting Monday with editing some of my videos. So I'm really excited about that. I don't know. I feel like we're all just like figuring it out as we go. And sometimes we do that better than other times. Like this year I have felt has been like such a hot mess for a myriad of reasons I think I talked about in my last video. But yeah, I should be posting several more videos before November ends, and then once a day in December. So I'm planning on filming my Thanksgiving video this week. I also am gonna decorate for Christmas. I don't know if it's gonna be tomorrow or maybe Monday/Tuesday after work, or maybe Wednesday since I have Wednesday off work. So I don't know, we'll see. But I'm excited. I'm excited to film more, post more. And thank you guys for always sticking around with me, even through the times when I have not been as prolific as I would like to be here on this platform. So anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to check out Factor. They're going to give you half off. Even if you just want to try it out, I highly recommend it. Just to, what is this doing? Even if you just want to try it out, just to try one box. I mean, obviously you can cancel anytime. I don't think you're going to cancel after your first box because you're probably going to like it so much. But yeah, if you never tried it, highly recommend it. Even for like weeks like this, when it's a holiday week, it's even good for that. I find that sometimes, especially when it's the holidays, like the lunchtime struggle is often something that is a challenge, and that's what I like to use them for. So anyway, yep. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.